Before we get to the vlog, hey Rumfold, say hi to the vlog. Rumfold, wow. Rumfold, Rumfold, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the. Ooh, that's Rumfold. Rumfold. Yeah, my cats are cute. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to check out my sneaker rotation for my upcoming Taiwan trip. And we will also be checking out the giant Kaws, like inflated thing, character over at Taipei. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. Guys, we are giving away a brand new rose gold and black watch. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go! Guys, I am going to Taiwan for another sneaker shopping series. So I have made this playlist. This video is part of that playlist. I actually did a video already prior to this. Since my best friend Colin is already in Taipei, we went ahead to film a video. Now for this vlog, what I want to do is I just want to share with you guys what I am bringing with me, the sneakers that I am packing, and then we'll end the vlog with a report from Colin, who's already in Taipei, Taiwan, and he'll talk about the giant inflated Kaws character that's sitting in Taipei. So let's get to the shoes. For the sneakers that I'm bringing with me on this trip, I'm actually just going to bring two, mainly because I think that I'm going to buy a lot more. So so I want to keep space in my luggage for the sneakers that I will be bringing home. First up, we have one of my favorite sneakers, at least favorite silhouettes right now. This is the Puma RSX Transformers Bumblebee. So as you guys can see, it has that yellow colorway with pops of red and white and gray. I just love this sneaker. I love how super comfortable it is. I did a review on this. The link to this one can be found down below. So this is probably my favorite yellow sneakers to date. So guys, if you want to buy the Puma RSX, it just dropped over at Puma Select over at Uptown Mall BGC. They have the Toys collection, which is really popping colors. You guys definitely have to check it out. Now, if they are out of stock, they have a fantastic selection of sneakers and shoes over there. So make sure that you check out Puma Select if ever you are in BGC or especially if you are in Uptown Mall. Next, I will be bringing with me my staple travel sneaker. This is the Off-White Nike Presto OG. Now, I love this shoe because it is just extremely comfortable. The spacer mesh for the upper, the dual foam system that they have with the midsole, it's just amazing on feet. And it's also easy to wear. You can wear it as a slip-on, which is fantastic if you are walking through security over at the airport. Now this one I brought with me to my entire Japan trip, and I pretty much abused it already, and it is still battered and, and dirty. I haven't cleaned it yet, so I probably will have this cleaned when I get back from Taiwan because I see a lot of abuse headed this sneakers way. Now, another thing I love about sneakers like this one with Off-White is that you can change the mood and the style just by changing the laces. So if you want to keep it casual, you go with the white laces. If you want to go all hype beast, then just pop in, I don't know, like maybe the green laces. If you want to go low-key, you just pop in the black laces. So that's the great thing about the Prestos. You just pack the laces with you and you can get so much versatility out of one pair of shoes, and that's why I love this sneaker. So those are the two sneakers that I'm bringing with me on my trip. Now, apart from that, I am also bringing some travel staples. First up, and this is where I give like a quick shout out, I am bringing my Skyroam with me. Skyroam provides excellent Wi-Fi coverage throughout any country. Well, at least most countries that I've been to. So all you have to do is to check out their website. I will be putting a link down below, bigsky.ph, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I really do not leave the country without this. It really provides excellent fast internet, which allows me to be able to post a lot on Instagram. And the best thing about this is that the battery life is crazy. You can literally spend the entire day and this will have enough juice for the next day. And it's also something that you can share with your family. I will be going with my wife and my friends, so this is definitely going to come in handy. And lastly, I will be bringing my favorite PayMaya card. I won't show the number for obvious reasons. I'm not a fan of credit cards, guys, mainly because, how do I say this? if I want to spend for something using deferred payment, I believe that I can't afford it. That's what I feel. So I will only buy something if I can pay it in full, and that's the reason why I love PayMaya card. The PayMaya card, it does just allow you to load money into it. Functions as a credit card, works outside the country, works online. It's a fantastic, versatile card that you can just bring with you, and that's another staple that I bring with me anytime that I travel. And lastly, before we get to Colin, I just want to unbox this with you guys because it's so crazy. When you say off-white, you really think of shoes and streetwear. You never think of perfume, and that's what we have here. This is the collaboration between Off-White and Byredo for perfume. It is actually made in France, and it is called Elevator Music. What? I haven't yet to research on the design or on the thinking behind the perfume, but wow, it really has that off-white vibe with the stripes. Take a look at that tape over there in orange. It does say here off-white, care of Virgil Abloh, defining the gray area between black and white as off-white over here. So if you pop it open, just so you guys can see what the box looks like, it's white with the Byredo logo over here at the front, the tape of off-white along the sides, and this is what the bottle looks like. So it says there, Byredo Elevator Music. You have a magnetic cap in black, and then you have the off-white stripes, and it does say here Elevator Music Eau de Parfum. I will do my first ever Hypebeast perfume review, maybe while I'm in Taiwan with Colin, so watch out for that. But wow, this smells really good. So yeah, really nice. But yeah, guys, watch out for my full review, my first ever perfume review, Hypebeast perfume review on this channel in the next few days. I will be using this as my main perfume or my main scent while I'm over at Taiwan. So those are the things that I am bringing with me with my trip. At this point, I just want to bring in Colin. Like what I mentioned earlier, he's already in Taipei, he's already in Taiwan. He is covering the Taiwan game show, Taipei Game Show, with this team from ungeek.ph. So I asked Colin to go around, check out the giant inflated Kaws character, companion character over at Taipei so he can show it to you. Colin, take it away.
What's up, guys? It's Colin again from Ungeek, and we're closing in the third day of the Taipei Game Show 2019, and as you can see, people are just leaving the venue. And we're going to be heading out soon. We're going to be checking out the Kaws installation at Chiang Kai-shek Museum. But first, we're going to grab dinner. Look at that beef. Damn. So Paco, what did you get?
Surf and turf with squid and ribeye steak.
How much is it?
280 NT.
Damn. Right. And then there's this dude that got himself McDonald's.
Prosperity burger.
What?
Prosperity burger. New Year's special.
Lunar New Year burger.
Alright.
So we're finally here, and we're in front of the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, and we have the huge Kaws installation behind me. Whoop! And that's how big it is. Okay, so we're gonna go around, we're gonna walk around this huge art installation, and yeah, come join me. Who is Kaws, and what is the significance of this like giant thing at your back?
Okay, so I'm assuming na you know Kaws because of streetwear, because of his various collaborations with brands. Yes, exactly.
Sesame Street, yeah.
So, first of all, Kaws is an American artist by the name of Brian Donnelly. So, that's not his real name, of course. Kaws is not his real name.
Okay.
And what you're seeing right here is called Companion.
So that's not Kaws?
That's not him.
Okay.
That's his sort of main character.
Okay.
Think of it like his Mickey Mouse of sorts.
Alright.
I mean, he kind of looks like Mickey.
Yeah.
So, Kaws actually started as a street artist in New York, or he was going around New York, subway adverts, he paints over them. He paints over with the Companion.
Right.
And then he got big in the streetwear scene because he was able to collaborate with different brands. And he also got to collaborate with different pop culture icons like The Simpsons and other popular like cartoons, for example. This in particular, this Companion, is the biggest so far. And it's the first ever in Taipei.
And that's it. That's the whole art installation from Kaws. We went around the Companion. We checked out the pop-up store. Unfortunately, it was sold out. Apparently, for you to be able to get a chance to buy any of the merchandise, you have to be here really, really early. Unfortunately for us, that means, well, it's Taipei Game Show, so we can't really get out of that one. But yeah, and that's it. Back to you, Carlo.
Thanks, Colin. So guys, that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to follow this playlist and subscribe. I will be pumping out a ton of Taiwan, Taipei related content in the next few days, from sneaker shopping guides to sneaker hauls to travel vlogs and a bunch of other crazy cool stuff. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and all of that good stuff. I am excited, I am stoked. And if you haven't watched my Japan series yet, where I did sneaker shopping guides on Harajuku, Shibuya, and all of that good stuff, the link to that playlist can be found below. That's actually my goal right now, to go all over Asia and then all over the world and do like a bunch of sneaker shopping guides, travel vlogs. That's it for now, guys. Peace, God bless, what's up, pak, 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 boom!